So let's try converting this invoice document from PDF to CSV. Let's start by downloading this PDF document. Then head over to the Nanonets PDF to CSV converter and drag and drop the PDF file. You now have two options to either convert all text in this document and export it as a CSV, or just select tabular data. Let's go with that option. Let's download the CSV. Here's a new Google Sheets spreadsheet. Let's just import the CSV that we've just downloaded. And here you have it. The converter has neatly captured the one table structure from the invoice. If you want to go ahead and edit this table and add a header or any sort of other modifications, you can create a free account with Nanonets and check out these additional features.